Every day, millions of vehicles travels on the road. Cars, trucks, and motorcycles, all needing fuels to move. As more people travel and transport goods, the demand for road fuel continues to rise. This demand affects how fuel is supplied, priced, and delivered, which also impacts businesses and the economy. Understanding on road fuel demand is important because it helps us plan better and use fuel more efficiently. By studying fuel consumption and trends, we can find ways to improve distribution, reduce waste, and make sure the supply meets the growing needs of drivers. In the end, learning about fuel demand is not just about energy. It's about keeping our world connected, supporting everyday activities, and driving progress forward on every road.